In this presentation we will see about the bandwidth and the data rate fundamental. First, the bandwidth quality of the data transmission depends on the channel or the medium you are using to transfer the data from sender to the receiver. First definition is the bandwidth. In this figure we are seeing that into the first figure the size of the rod, see the mouse pointer, that is called as the width, and that is the called as the bandwidth of that rod. So wider the road, more bandwidth. In this second figure, the bandwidth of the highway, you are seeing that if the more or larger the size of the highway, we can accommodate more vehicle. So bandwidth is related in these terms. So the definition of bandwidth into the computer terminology, according to the computer terminology, is that bandwidth is the range of the frequency. Bandwidth is the range of the frequency that can pass through a medium. Say for example, that is the width of a road. It is called as the width of a road. So in this two example, there is a first road and this one is the second road, means highway, but the width of that both of the roads are different. If the width of the road is smaller, then it cannot accommodate more vehicle, but wider the road, or if it is having the more bandwidth, it can accommodate a more vehicle. So that is called as the bandwidth, range of the frequency. Second definition is the data rate. Data rate means actual vehicle transfer on a bandwidth. So data rate, amount of data that pass through a medium per unit of time. In the first figure, see the bandwidth or see the width of the road. It is up to or almost, it can pass only one vehicle at a time or per unit of time due to the smaller bandwidth. In the second figure, see the bandwidth or the width of the highway. It is more than the previous one, so it can accommodate more vehicle. So in that case, there is the only one vehicle, that is the actual data rate for this bandwidth. In the second figure, that is the bandwidth of the second highway, or the width of the second highway is more than the previous one, so it can accommodate more vehicle compared to the first figure. So in computer terminology, data rate means it is the amount of data that pass through a medium per unit of time. Say for example, number of vehicle carry on a road, that is based on the bandwidth. Data rate of Cat5 cable. We have the different category of cable into the UTP, unsealed twisted pair. So again, data rate is depends on the type of cable you are using into the twisted pair. If we are talking about the Cat5 cable into the UTP, then its data rate is 100 Mbps for a range of 100 meter. Means it can traverse at the speed of 100 Mbps up to the distance of 100 meter only. If it can go up to 1 Gbps for a range of 1 meter or less. Means if it is required to cover a less distance, then it can give a more speed, more data rate. So we can also say that if it required to cover a more distance after 100 meter, then its data rate is going slower. Data rate means the actual data passing through medium according to our previous discussion, and bandwidth means maximum data rate, that is always fixed, it never change. But data rate may be sometimes zero also, but maximum value of the data rate is not more than the bandwidth. There are some of the factors that limit the bandwidth. The first parameter is the medium. Which type of medium or channel you are using, it depends on the bandwidth, or that is the factors for the bandwidth. If you are using the twisted pair cable, then you can get a less bandwidth compared to the fiber optics cable. Second, type of medium you are using. In the twisted pair cable, there are the certain types available: category 1 cable, category 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. If you are using the Cat 1 cable, then it can give the speed up to the 1 Mbps. In the case of category 6 cable, it can give up to the speed of 1000 Mbps. Distance of the sender and the receiver. This is the sender and those one are the receiver. So the distance is also play an important role for limiting the bandwidth. If the distance is less, to transfer the data from source to the destination, then it can travel with the good Mbps speed or good speed. But if the destination of sender and the receiver is larger or more distance, then the data rate or the bandwidth can also get affect. Thickness of the bandwidth. Again the bandwidth is depends on the thickness of the bandwidth, means width. There are some of the factors that affect the data rate. First factor is that how the bandwidth is utilization to transfer the data from sender to the receiver. It again depends on the receiver's nature, resistance of the media, how the media is straight or working in the case of the external factor or the resistance like dust, light, etc. And finally, how wires are structured and sealed. Normally twisted pairs cable are in the helical fashion. So that is the factors that can affect the bandwidth and the data rate. Thank you.